What's up, guys? I got another flashlight review to show you guys. This is the Reylight pineapple, well, brass pineapple V3. It's a really good, beautiful custom light. Alright, so here's the specs. Alright, you get your high for 470 lumens. Well, just so you know, it could run on 14500s or regular AA alkalines. 14500s, you're gonna get better output. Alright, so alright, let's start this over. You got your 470 lumens for 58 minutes. You got your medium is 2.5 hours. Your low is 8.5 lumens for 31 hours. You got your 0.2 lumens for 20 days. Alright, for your alkaline, you got 130 lumens for 1.1 hour. You got your 30 lumens for 5 hours. You got your 3.2 lumens for 70 hours. And you got your 0.2 lumens for 30 days. You got your beam distance to 95 meters. Alright. Your candela is 2269 candela. You got your 1.5 meter beam distance, impact resistance. Your waterproofing to IPX8 2 meters. That is 6 feet underwater for 30 minutes. Alright, you got your, tells you what you can do. You click to turn it on, that's simple. Tap to cycle modes, simple. Click again to turn off, that's fully clicks. And memory activated by 8 quick taps, so you can memorize any mode you want. Well, it's actually memorized now, so I think when you hit the 8 quick taps, it'll turn that off. So alright, there's your box. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look at the light. This is beautiful. Just so you know, I took it out of the pack because it's wrapped in this. But you got your spare O-rings, but who cares? This is your pride and joy. It's beautiful. You got your, oh, come on, focus. You got your orange pair reflector with your Nichia 219C. This is a warm tint. It's like having the sun in your hand. Got your AL coating. Alright, it does tear stand just fine. See that? It's a great little EDC light. Got Leatherman here, so let's compare size. Beautiful. Alright, got a nice clip. You hear that? Can't hear nothing. It's nicely lubed. Square cut threads, it looks like. That's what that looks like. It's quality all around. I'm using a eFest 14500. I'll put a link in there for your, in case you want to know where to get one of these. Alright, it's kind of hard to see inside the barrel, but there's just a spring, a nice spring. Alright, so just so you know, once you unscrew this, the button falls off. And let me show you. You could take your clip off. See that? Just so you guys know, I got mine off Amazon. Alright. And just so you know, if you order from him, You see that little indentation right there? You could put a tritium in there, and what that is, it's a little piece that glows. It's really cool. And if you order from him, you'll get it. I ordered mine. I ordered my tritium thing from Banggood. So it's cheap on that website, but I say order from him, save you the hassle. You get it already installed, and you get different colors. You can get green or ice blue, orange I think, or yellow and red. And that's the light. Let me put the battery in and show you. This thing's beautiful. I already had it for like a week or two. And you're getting a really nice patina, but I polished this for the video. You got your Reylight logo. Trying to focus here, sorry. But it's very beautiful. Alright, simple operation. Turn it on. I'll show you the beam profile. It's pretty nice. So you get a little throw and flood for the orange peel, so you get a nice beam. So to change modes, that's all you do. Just tap, tap, tap. Alright, let's take a look at this one more time. Right now it's in moonlight. See? Alright guys, see the beautiful light? Now I'm going to take this outside and show you what it does. Be right back. Guys, I'm about to show you some beam footage with the Reylight Brass Pineapple V3. Alright, I'm a little spooked over here, but here we go. Alright, this is the Nichia 219C. I gotta go way down there for you to see this. So, this is moonlight mode. There's no bad PWM, so that's good. This is low. Alright, can't really see much. That's medium. I think this is 100. See that light blinking way out there in the distance? It's crazy. I think it's haunted. Alright, but anyways, back to the beam shots. There's 470. So I'm going to walk a little bit. This is beautiful tint. It's beautiful. So I got bit by a mosquito. See how small this is? Alright. Back to low. No, moonlight then low. That's medium. Get a good distance. I'm just trying to watch out because there's coyotes over here. There's a family of them, so I gotta be careful. Alright, let me bring it down to low. But moonlight low. Medium. High. It's not bad. Get some good distance. Remember, it's a EDC 14500. It's the brass version. And I do recommend this light. No doubts about it. Let's do this one more time, and then I'm gonna head out. That's the medium. High. Sorry, I got bit. There you guys go. That's the beam shots for the Reylight Pineapple Brass B3. Thanks for watching. Peace.